Hold on. Before this intro starts, let me tell y'all a background story. A little recap. This is my 2018 MacBook, and as of mid-June, the LCD decides to give up on me, basically making the entire computer useless. And before I decided to be all dramatic, recently it's been crashing, running slow, and dying every other hour. And not to mention my disgusting charger that has been literally hanging on by a thread since fall of 2020. So, as my intro says, let's switch this up. Okay, hey besties, it's Blessing. Welcome back to another video. Like I said in the intro, this is my old computer. We're actually going to the Apple store to trade this in for the new MacBook 2020. Right now I have the MacBook 2018 version. And yeah, hopefully you can get some dollars off. I'm just gonna go to the Apple store right now, and I would vlog myself driving, but no, I don't want to be distracted. I'll see you guys when we get to the Apple store. Wow, you can't even see me, but I'm at the mall with my computer. Hopefully we could trade it in. Breaking news. They actually said this computer was useless, so we have to pay full price. I really hope this isn't a weird angle or anything. I am back from the Apple store, obviously. Here is just the accessories for my Mac. So we're just gonna unbox that first real quick and then get into the main event. I have my trusty knife. If you watch my Switch videos, you probably recognize this knife. And I think we should probably give him a name. Like, I was thinking of calling him like Stanley or something. What? Oh wow, it came with 2 keyboard covers as far as I can see, and I thought I was only getting 1, but this is legit. Okay, by the way, all the products you see in this video will be linked in the description box down below because I got you guys. Here's what the first keyboard cover looks like. It's pretty pink, pretty cute. Then we get this type of plum, keyboard, which is pretty cute. I don't know what this is, but I'm just gonna put that over there. Screen protector, okay, love that. And then we have the hard shell casing for the MacBook. Oh, and it also comes with some dust plugs, which I think will be very, very helpful because I'm trying to keep this Mac as clean as possible. I think I will wait until I take the device out to put this on. So for now, we're just gonna put this to the side and get into the main event. Okay. Cue the angelic music. Wow, this is so heavy. This package is actually kind of heavy. That hurt my arm. This is my MacBook Air 2020 with the M1 chip. I've had a MacBook Air before, so the packaging doesn't really surprise me as much, which is why you didn't really see me like go all, but still, it's still cool. This is what it looks like. It is so like sleek and like aesthetic. I am in love. Do I need my knife for this, or is there like there's a whatchamacallit, a pulley tab here. Oh, that's so satisfying. Ooh. What the hell? That literally did nothing. So there we go. This feels like I'm unwrapping a Christmas present. I got the MacBook Air 2020 with the M1 chip, and with that chip, it's supposed to like run faster without a fan. On my old Mac, the fan will always make noise. It will run slow and sometimes crash unexpectedly. And yeah, I'm just happy to be getting a new one because honestly, that one was really getting on my nerves. I'll just put all the specs of the computer I got on the screen. Okay, so let me show you guys up close because y'all can't really see what's going on over here too well. So here is the Mac in its full glory, and yeah, I'm I'm just really excited. So after you take out the computer, here is this next part under the computer. And then underneath the information sheet, you have like the box, you know? Your average regular Mac block for the computer. If that made sense? Whatever. Here is the cable, and it's so much wider compared to my old cable, but again, I gotta give myself credit because that cable is 2 years old. So this is the information holder that no one really cares about, but it just has Apple stickers, the information sheet. Nobody reads until like they have a problem with their computer. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be taking off the computer charger thing. The wire is so coily. It looks like my hair pattern. There was a tab here this entire time, but hey, you win some and you lose some. And now for the main event, the MacBook Air 2020 in Space Gray with the M1 chip. Ooh, that was so satisfying. Before we power this on, I'm just gonna decorate the computer with the accessories I got because I don't want any, I mean, I kind of already got fingerprints on it, but I don't want any more fingerprints on it. Hope y'all can see that. Okay, so we can just peel this off.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
So I'm just gonna put this screen protector on real fast, but it turns out, okay. Oh wait, the keyboard's actually more clicky than the MacBook 2018. Okay. I think I'm just gonna do purple and just like stick to my theme. I'm just gonna bring y'all a little bit closer to me so you guys can see what I'm doing on the setup screen. So this is the finished product of what my new Mac looks like. Sorry this video was kind of all over the place. I tried to make this like as organized as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.